Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So what happened today in the market? Let's see. So today again market gap down, but it tried recovering from this point, and what happened? It started facing some resistance. Okay, so what are my actions for tomorrow? And as I told you guys already, I won't be trading at least for 2-3 days more because the market can go very volatile and stop loss might get on both the sides. Okay, so if I get a price above 21,550 or 560 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at near this swing. Okay, this is a big stop loss, 100 points of stop loss, but if I have to keep it a tight stop loss, there is a very high chance it will hit it. Yes, so this will be my entry. If I'm selling, I will be definitely looking forward to sell it post 21,345 and below. Okay, so this is how the trade looks for me, and in this my target will be pretty big. This will be my target, that is 20,980, or 20,000 or 21,000 will be my target. Yeah, so this is for Nifty. Next is Bank Nifty. These are the current levels. So Bank Nifty is currently at a good support level. If you guys see, this is a support which market bounced. Now it's again the support level. I'm not saying there can be a recovery very immediately, but if you guys see, it is struggling to breach this. Only if it breaches this, we'll be able to short it. Till then, I'll be looking forward to purchase it at this cost, that is 45,760 and above. I'll be buying it, and my stop loss will be at 45,500. Okay, so if sell, I have to see an M pattern, that is an M pattern should form like this. If it breaks this, then I will be definitely looking forward to sell this. This is how I'll be selling it. Below 45,480 and below, I'll be selling it. Okay, that's it for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Next is US oil. US oil, if we see, market is extremely volatile. It's going all over the places. And guys, from past, I think from 1 month, markets in the same area. If you guys see, I'll show you. That is from this time. Let's take it from this time. Okay, from 4th of December to now, it is what, today is 18th of January. Okay, almost 45 days market has been volatile on the same zone, and this time, that is past 21 days, has been very crucial. That is, it's not going up nor down. It is not passing $73.80 and above, nor it's breaching below $69.86. So now is a very crucial time. It is forming a very good pattern now. It is getting accumulated here, which is really good. I will show you guys an example. If you guys see, market was here for a very long time on the same zone for almost 60 days. Okay, that is 2 months, and then it gave a very good breakout. If you guys see, this is a very good breakout, and I'm expecting a same kind of thing to happen here. So I'm definitely waiting for my opportunity in this. If I get a support from this trend line, I'll be looking forward to buy it up $71.85 and above. I will be definitely looking forward to buy it, or if it crosses $74.20 and above, I'll be buying it. So these are the two major places where I'll be buying it. Sell until unless it breaches $68.13 or 15 cents, I won't be selling it. Okay, so that's it for US oil. Next is gold. We are still holding on to our current trade, which is trying to break down. Okay, so this is a trend line in 15 minutes. If you guys see, it has been retested thrice. Now it's going for a retest. I hope this is a retest, because this is a confluence. If you guys see, this is a support area which acts as a confluence. But it should have been a bit like this. I would have been a very comfortable, and I would have added more position here. But because this is a midpoint, I'm kind of concerned. So I have to wait for the price action. So if it breaks below 2007, that is 2007, I'll be selling it, and my target will be 1977. Okay, and I have two stocks for swing trading which I bought today. That is Cipla. Cipla was in a range for almost 155 days, and then it broke out, and it took a good support, and then it broke out because of some negativity in the market. This came this fall happened, and I entered here today because this is a very good candle. So I entered here, which has engulfed almost three candles in one candle, has engulfed all the three candles. So I've entered here. My stop loss is at 1259. Okay, 1259 is where my stop loss is. I'm expecting a good up momentum, but I'm expecting a slow movement here because it has already come up crazily. So now we can expect only a slow momentum on the upside. Next is LT. LT also the same thing. If you guys see, it was consolidating here almost for a very long time. Sorry, for 78 days, and this consolidation happened now for 28 days. Then it has broken this level. Okay, this is a very crucial level for LNT. It broke. Now I've entered it here at 3560. My stop loss is at 3515. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information in this video. So this is just my view on the market. This is not a tip or a call, so please use this as a reference which will help you on your trading things. Okay, so thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my content. I'll definitely post more new content for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.